Alright, so we're chilling, right?
I think we are.
Welcome back, folks. Back to North Sentinel Island. Oh, damn, we're completely diving. Oh, it's not even that bad out. Is that you?
Huh?
Oh, no, that's Fisheye. There's Kelvin. Wait, where are you? Oh, no, we just have the same.
Yeah. The game looks nice. 31 weeks.
I just turned it off. I did not mean to do that. Who am I? Oh, no, I'm gonna fight demons. Evan.
What?
My demons! They're coming out! Wait, who's it? Is that Kelvin? Who grabbed him? What the hell are you doing, bro?
Did you skip the cutscene?
No? I'm still in this bitch. Who is that? Oh, Kelvin! Where's that Fisheye? Oh, that's Fisheye. And he's dead.
How are you past the cutscene already? What?
I'm not!
Oh.
Do you have a different cutscene?
I'm in a fucking helicopter.
Oh yeah, my cutscene's already started.
So is mine.
Are you? Where are you then?
I'm like over a mountain right now.
Oh. Yeah, I'm past that.
S to skip?
Don't skip, don't skip. I gotta turn down my game volume. Who the hell is that? What the? You gonna beat her ass? Oh, oh damn. Okay.
I'm still in a cutscene.
I won't say anything. I'm done.
How long is this fucking cutscene, bro? What'd you just tell him to fucking do? Hayden! Look over there. I can't hear you, by the way.
Oh shit! I was muted the whole time. No. Yeah, they're dead. By the way, they're on sticks. And why are you? Dude? Oh yeah. Anyway, I told Kelvin to follow me. Why are you an old ass man? Am I an old ass man? What
No,
am
you're
I?
a young ass kid.
You're an old ass grandpa.
How the f did you get an axe?
You go in your inventory.
Oh,
and
right
open
there.
Yeah, you're shit. I literally want to hit you again. Fuck. What did I do? Oh, that's a parry. I can parry. It's like,
Fucking hear you.
is that? Can you actually?
What button is it?
I don't know. You just pull, all you have to do is pull it out, and you automatically start talking.
Hello? You know what this means.
Hello?
That is shut it. That mic quality's terrible.
Come on, let's go.
No, let me put it. You might need to go. Hello? Yo, what the hell?
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck? Oh, they're climbing the trees! What's
It's in
that?
the fucking trees!
Oh, where'd it go?
Hayden, don't anger, there's 3 of them!
Q, E. Oh, I figured out how to do the walkie-talkie.
It's G, I think.
G? Oh, shit.
Ow!
No, I'm not doing it. Oh, look at Kelvin. He's drinking. Oh, I can drink too. Oh shit, I'm sorry.
You can kill him. He's
Don't
fucking
kill him.
bleeding.
Don't kill him. No, he's not. He's always been bleeding, I think. Hopefully.
That doesn't mean keep throwing shit at him, you fucking retard.
I threw it at you.
Let's go. Let's go build a fucking base.
Alright, we're close to the green thing. We're close to the green thing.
Well, no fucking shit, we're close. Up there, Hayden, in front of us. I saw one.
What? You saw what? You saw what?
Fucking walker.
The crawler or
It's a-
the walker?
It's a cam.
Oh shit.
Hayden, they saw us.
Ooh. This isn't the green thing though. Should we just? Oh, there he is definitely walking up on you. Oh, they have weapons too.
I'm running. I'm running.
They don't see me. They don't see me. They don't see me. I'm hiding. I've been hiding in bushes. Fuck. You don't see me, bro. You don't see me.
Well,
What the hell was that? Oh, we got monkeys.
they fucking walk like a gorilla.
What is this? I found a camera.
I pushed that shit over.
Yo! Yeah, beat its ass. Beat its ass. What do you think you're doing, bud?
We got a runner.
Oh no! Just leave him. Just leave him. Just leave him.
Oh!
Okay, I'm tempted to hit this.
No shit, Calvin. You're pointing at it.
I'm tempted to hit this, so you might want to back up. Ooh, a spider web. Doesn't do anything. Alright, I'm gonna hit this.
Good. This game looks nice as fuck.
Damn.
The motherfucking rainbow, Nick. I ain't that motherfucker thugged out, nigga. That shit beautiful than a motherfucker. My baby mama probably at the end of that bitch with her gold digging ass.
Holy fucking shit, I need to turn brightness up. Fuck me.
I want the immersion.
I don't know. Let's go. What
Are
the
you sure
fuck
you
is
don't-
that? What the fuck is...
Hell no! Hell no! I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. No, get over here! Get over here!
It's a lady.
Dude, you are messing with the wrong shit.
She has tits.
I don't give a shit. Oh my god.
She's sick as fuck. She's sick as fuck.
I'm gonna go say hi. Yo, what's good, baby girl? Oh, she running. Oh, she use a spear. Use a spear.
Don't kill her. Don't kill her. Don't kill her. Don't,
Don't
kill her.
Oh my
What the fuck?
damn. Damn.
Quit running. Fucking hell. You twat waffle. Hello?
Shit. Look at this shit. Come over here.
Oh, we can build here. You
I like
wanna?
the lake better. I like the lake better.
We could build walls out here. What the fuck?
I know. I was thinking that, but
Let's do that. Are you fucking high?
Oh, I want to do a lake. I want to be different. I don't want to be like the same as everyone else, you know? I actually don't know what people built, but still. It's like begging to be built there. Dude, this guy's need to shut the fuck
That is a horny lady right there. Run, Calvin!
Did you say the N-word? Did you hear that? Did you... Man, this shit's steamy as hell.
Like my asshole. How the fuck do you want us to build on the fucking lake, Hayden? I don't think we can.
You know.
Stupid fucking twat.
Yeah, let's set up a bin. Yep. You know?
Yeah, yeah. Just put them in a fucking pile, I guess, and we'll work on this.
Rotate. Can I? Figured it out.
One eternity later.